Hi friends. Today I will show you 5 mind-blowing gadgets which you can buy from online stores. Please give a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's begin. Everyday blade. The everyday blade is a tiny replaceable blade. Pocket knife that's so small you forget it's even there until you need it. The patented replaceable blade technology allows you to easily replace a dull blade with a razor-sharp new one. Remarkable too. Take handwritten notes, read and review documents. Convert your handwritten notes into text. A display that looks and feels like paper. All your notes, organized and accessible on all devices. The Remarkable 2 is a slim 10.3-inch tablet with a monochrome e-ink touchscreen 1872 by 1404 pixels. It runs a Linux-based OS on a 1.2 GHz dual-core ARM processor with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, with dual-band 2.4 by 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, all powered by a 3000 mAh battery. Arc lighter. Arc lighter patented design allows you to light nearly anything with ease and precision. To use, just push up the slider. This reveals the ceramic tip. Its dual electric beams won't blow out in the wind and produce over 900 degrees of clean, even heat, making Arc the most versatile lighter on the planet. Polar pen. The polar pen is the first writing utensil held together entirely with magnets. Using 12 rare earth magnet segments that form a tube around the ink cartridge. The pen can easily be constructed or destructed in a snap. The long-lasting magnets will provide hours of entertainment for your fidgeting fingers. Evolve GTR. The Evolve GTR is an electric skateboard. The Evolve Carbon GTR longboard has many different specs. Evolve GTR provides a hand-controlled throttle, in which you can control the speed. This board can reach speed up to 24 miles per hour. It comes with a digital LCD screen giving real-time data such as speed, distance, and board dynamics. You can travel up to 31 miles per hour with one charge. This board will turn any road or path into the endless wave of your dreams. Evolve GTR is suitable for terrains like short grass, dirt tracks, roads, and footpaths.